habit? Yeah, clever.
习惯
Yeah, good. Habit is something you do every day. Like, I swim every day. You run every morning. Habits, if you make a question, you say do or does. Do you swim every day? Does she run every morning? Now we want to say, yes I do, or no I don't. Yes she does, or no she doesn't. Stephen says, stand up. 1, 2, yes sir.
1, 2, yes sir.
So I will say, yes I, and you say do, or no I don't. Yes she does. No she doesn't. Alice is number 1. I have a big gun. I will shoot you if you are slow or bad. Alice, yes we do. Amy, no she doesn't. Fanny, yes they do. No we don't. Yes you no she doesn't. Yes it does. No it doesn't. No he doesn't. Yes she. Yes no we. Yes you. No they. Yes I. No she. Okay, let's see who's the winner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 standing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're the winner!